How do you make your snowman? This is how we do it. A recycling bucket. How fast can we make it? Fill her up, boys. We're using the snow off of our tree fort. This is our tree fort that the snow dropped on.
Guys, it's a tree and a fort.
Yeah.
Tree fort.
Let's show us how it's done.
I got a yellow breach shovel.
This will never break, guys.
Pack 'em in.
Last night it was snowing.
No.
This is real snow. Guys, this is real snow. It's not. Guys, this is real snow. This is not edited.
What?
Man-made stuff.
Man,
Not edited.
not
It's not
edited.
edited.
Pat it down. Pat it. Watch it.
Hold up.
Pat. Okay.
That's our first layer. Let me see. Hold on.
And I see it.
You get some more on there. Come there.
Okay. Got some more. Bum, ba, bum, 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 bum. Come on. We're gonna make a big snowman.
But Daddy, it's supposed to be round.
Why is your face? Oh, you got stuff on it.
What?
You need a mask. Yeah, face is cold. All right, let's see what we got.
Okay, let's see. Snowball. I got snowball. Let's see.
1, 2.
3. Oh! Come on.
Please. Whoa!
Look at that.
Let's go.
Yo.
Stop building it back up. Mess it up.
Can you put it back?
Daddy,
Can you put it back?
be round.
First layer. All right, we'll show you the. We'll show you the. Hey, we'll show you the finished product. All right. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. See ya. I can't push it. I got gloves on.
That's okay. That's the first layer. There you go. That's Frosty's body, his torso, and his legs.